Beneath the rhythmic symphony of the heart's beats lies a revelation that could rewrite the very fabric of human consciousness. The discovery of sensory neuroites, a hidden network of neurons within the heart, has unveiled a new layer to this vital organ's abilities. Far from being passive bystanders, these neurons are capable of independent thought, emotion, and memory, suggesting an intellectual capacity parallel to our cranial brains. Could our hearts possess their own language, hold their own memories, and have a mind of their own? Dive into this uncharted territory and prepare for a transformation in our understanding of the heart, consciousness, and the essence of being human. Over the centuries, the heart has been ensconced in an enigmatic veil of mystique and romanticism. Stripped of its metaphysical illusions, the heart is a muscular organ responsible for pumping blood throughout the body, maintaining a steady flow of nutrients, oxygen, and other critical elements to our cells. But buried deep within its rhythmic contractions and torrents of life-giving fluid, researchers have stumbled upon an astounding revelation: a tiny community of 40,000 sensory neuroites capable of independent thought, emotion, and memory. This remarkable discovery, the outcome of exhaustive research using sophisticated techniques like single-cell RNA sequencing and electrophysiological analysis, shatters our traditional view of the heart. Traditionally, the heart's primary purpose has been seen as purely physiological. Now, it appears that the heart might possess an intellectual dimension that runs parallel, yet independent to, our cranial brains. The sensory neuroites nestled in the human heart are not merely bystanders in the organ's operations. These are specialized neurons capable of producing and releasing neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that enable neurons to communicate. This property inherently suggests the existence of an intracardiac neuronal network functioning independent of the brain, yet intricately connected to it via complex biochemical processes. Most intriguingly, the presence of these cells also implies the heart's ability to learn, remember, and make decisions. A paradigm shift in our understanding of human consciousness and cognition. The idea of the heart having a mind of its own isn't merely a romantic notion anymore, but a plausible scientific theory. It might be that this hidden neuronal network within our hearts stores emotional experiences, forming what one might describe as cardiac memories. A fascinating example of the implications of this discovery is its potential relationship to broken heart syndrome, or Takotsubo cardiomyopathy. This condition, typically triggered by severe stress or loss, causes heart muscle weakening, resembling a heart attack, but without any apparent blockage of the coronary arteries. Could it be that the sensory neuroites are responding to the emotional trauma, creating a physiological response independent of the brain's input? If so, this could revolutionize our understanding and treatment of such stress-induced disorders. Understanding this newfound capacity of the heart could also transform the approach to organ transplants. There have been numerous anecdotal reports of heart transplant recipients experiencing drastic personality changes, sometimes aligning with traits or preferences of the donor. Is it possible these sensory neuroites within the donated heart carry remnants of the donor's experiences, influencing the recipient's behaviors and emotions? This discovery also proffers a new perspective on age-old practices such as mindfulness and meditation. The techniques often emphasize heart-centered focus, aiming to promote emotional well-being. These practices might be engaging the heart's neuroites, fostering a mind-heart harmony that results in the perceived benefits. The realm of sensory neuroites holds immense promise, leading us down a labyrinth of scientific inquiry and speculation. As we tread this path, we must remain prepared for radical transformation in our understanding of ourselves. In the grand tapestry of human anatomy, the heart, once considered a simple pump, is beginning to reveal its complex narrative. A convergence of science and emotion, the heart's intricate dance between feeling and physiology is more enthralling than ever before. Today we stand on the precipice of a new frontier in our understanding of human consciousness, All thanks to these 40,000 cells, ticking away in time with our heartbeats. The language of the heart is no longer a romantic metaphor. It could be a scientific reality. As we unravel this language, we might discover that the essence of being human, our consciousness, isn't solely in our brains, but also pulsating in every beat of our hearts. The discovery of sensory neurowites, a hidden colony of neurons nestled within the pulsating heart, has been nothing short of a revelation. These elusive cells, obscured within the intricate architecture of the heart, have emerged from the shadows, unfurling a scientific enigma of monumental proportions. Employing avant-garde imaging modalities such as high-resolution three-dimensional microscopy and electrophysiological mapping, researchers have begun to illuminate these once invisible actors. This leap in scientific exploration compels us to navigate uncharted waters, pushing boundaries and rewriting our understanding of the organ that defines life itself. The established wisdom that the brain is the sole command center of cognitive functions is now under severe interrogation. Sensory neurowites have demonstrated cognitive capacities that rival brain cells, including the ability to think, process information, and form memories independently. A study published in the journal Neuroscience and Biobehavioral Reviews in 2023 confirmed the presence of neurotransmitters and synaptic connections within these cells, a telltale sign of neuronal activity. This groundbreaking finding destabilizes the neurocentric view of cognition, prompting us to reconceptualize the foundations of consciousness. Sensory neurowites do not merely exist in isolation. They communicate with each other using intricate biochemical signals, forming a complex network akin to a second brain in the heart. Through an intricate dance of electrical impulses and chemical cascades, these cells give rise to a distinct language within the heart, separate from the linguistic mechanisms of the cranial brain. This discovery beckons us towards a profound question. Can this heart-based language influence our understanding and expression of emotions? One of the most startling revelations about sensory neurowites is their capacity to form independent memories. A 2022 study in Cell Reports found that sensory neurowites exhibit long-term potentiation, LTP, a process closely associated with memory formation and storage in the brain. These cells hold the potential to reshape our understanding of memory dynamics, illuminating the enigma of how the heart might remember, independent of the cranial brain. Could these cardiac memories be the key to unraveling mysterious conditions such as broken heart syndrome, where emotional stress can cause physical heart damage? Unveiling these secrets could also explain the curious phenomena reported by heart transplant recipients, who have often described inexplicable changes in preferences or behavior post-transplant. These alterations, inexplicable within the current scientific framework, might be the imprint of the donor's cardiac memories, carried within the sensory neurowites of the transplanted heart. These sensory neurowites bridge the historical divide between the heart and the brain, uniting these organs in a complex interplay that could redefine our understanding of human consciousness. This interconnectedness poses compelling questions. Could the heart's thoughts and memories shape our emotions, perceptions, and intuition? Might our gut feelings or heart's desires be the whispering of these sensory neurowites? As we delve deeper into the labyrinthine world of sensory neurowites, we find ourselves on the brink of a revolutionary cognitive paradigm. This microscopic realm within the heart challenges our preconceptions, compelling us to reconsider the locus of consciousness and cognition. We are on the cusp of decoding the enigma that these sensory neurowites present, each discovery pushing us further into a new realm of understanding. The heart, an emblem of life and love, is emerging as a cerebral organ in its own right. As we continue this thrilling expedition, exploring the intricate pathways that connect the heart and the mind, we draw closer to an entirely new vista of understanding the essence of human consciousness. The tantalizing prospect of understanding this heart-brain dialogue carries immense implications for psychology, neuroscience, and even philosophy. As we stand on the precipice of this brave new world, our journey into the heart's secrets promises to reshape not just the scientific landscape, but also our profoundest perceptions of what it means to be human. Every heartbeat, it appears, is not just a physical, but a cognitive event, a testament to the extraordinary symphony of life that plays within us.